How to see who visits your Instagram profile. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Instagram, and here you have to open up your profile. Now once you're in here, you have to click on these three horizontal lines and go on the settings and privacy. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to find out the account type and the tools that are for the professionals, and here you have to switch your account to your professional account, and here you have to get the professional tools and continue with all of these, and here you have to add up your account type like artist, gamer, beauty, cosmetics. Once you've done it, you have to click on the continue, and after that you have to go on the creator and select your category, that which category you want to select, or the creator or the business. After that you have to add up your safety and click on the ok. Here is the three steps that you have to follow these. After that you are able to set up your professional account. First of all, you have to complete your profile. Here you have to add the name and the bio and click on the tick. After that you have to go on the get inspired, and here you have to select up the other business or creators to see their content, and here you have to introduce yourself. After that you have to create a post and click on the tick. Once you're done with all of these, you have to again open up your profile, and here is the option of the professional dashboard. You have to click on it. Now here is the account insights. You have to go in it and click on the see all. Now as you can see, here is the option of the account reached. You have to click on it, and here you are able to see that who visits your Instagram profile. Here you can change the option from the last 30 days or the monthly for the previous month, or also the last 90 days. After that you have to simply click on the tick and done with it. So yeah, this is how you can see who visits your Instagram profile.